start with my line now. We all have a favourite fairy tale. What's yours? Now I will come up and sing the whole song of the Three Bears Up. Hey there, Big Bear, what do you like for breakfast? Cornflakes, rice cakes, Weetabix, or what? I like porridge. Give me porridge. I like a lot of porridge in a great big pot. Hey there, Mama Bear, what do you like to sit in? Armchair, deck chair, rocking chair, or what? I like my chair, my city shut your eye chair, my watch the world go by chair. I like my chair a lot. Hey there, baby bear, what do you like to sleep in? Bathtub, coal bin, flower bed, or what? That's real easy. It's easy, squeezy, wheezy. There's nothing in the world to beat my own squat. Hey there, Three Bears, what do you think of Goldilocks? Boo! Pretend I have another line. This was my other line. Now after that, I've got a book and I can say a prayer in it. Please join our prayer. And then I'm going to get a book.
Amen to that.
Okay. Dear Jesus, help us to grow more like you. Amen.
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 Now the assembly's all done. I just need to say one more thing. Thank you for coming to our assembly.
You're welcome.
Da, 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 da! Da, 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 da.
I think you should do that at the end of the assembly.
Da, 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 da.